Yeah, that's our first tip up. Where's the other one? Second one. Yeah. Nah, dito. There. That one. Sa unahan. And the last one. Kay dara. Sa lake. So, yep. Waiting na lang me for the fish to eat our baits. Para and our si tawag, nakalimut ko sa tawag ani. Pasilunganan.